Welcome to a new video, guys. I've got a video you lot are going to want to see. Here we have the 636 of Brazil, and we have Augusto, guys. It's been a minute since I've been out on the bikes, but I had to wait to bring you a video for this. Right here, this is the 636 of Brazil. This is the XJ6 36. XJ636. Huh? Ah, sushi. Today we're gonna speak to Augusto. We're gonna find out why this bike is the 636 of Brazil, why it's such a Hall of Fame motorcycle, other than the soundtrack to it. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment if you want more videos like this. Vamos.
GBX on this motherfucker.
Oi! We got a gas money empty. Oh my god! Fuck off! Fala para pessoas. Eu não falo português, ele não fala inglês. XJ6, tudo pessoas gostam. Muito melhor moto. Por quê? Por quê?
Depende, não sei real.
Ah, ok. Mas, doesn't know.
Primeiro youtuber.
Ah, YouTubers.
Renato Garcia, o primeiro.
Renato Garcia, ok.
XJ6, todo mundo criança.
Ah, ok.
Entende? Talvez.
Depois, tudo pessoas gostam XJ6.
Mas moto muito boa, né? Barulho bom.
Ah, barulho.
Cilindro não muito caro, depende, né? Mas não muito caro, né? Por ser 4 cilindros, depende. Né?
Vai
de gosto também.
Yeah. Ah, eu gosto. Eu não gosto na Inglaterra. Eu não é importante pra mim. Não, mas não é muito gosto. Eu entendi, Brasil. Eu entendi.
GBX on this motherfucker.
So pretty much a YouTuber by the name of Renato Garcia. You can search him. I think he's the biggest moto vlogger. You just haven't heard of him because he's in Brazil. But if you go look at his subscribers and his views. He took this bike probably like 2015, 2016, around those times. Someone spoke to me about it briefly before. I can't remember the exact dates, but that's put so much social value on this bike for the whole of Brazil. Like, it was like everyone's dream bike, this and the Hornet 600. Mesmo Hornet. Entendi lá. Pessoas gostam essa ou Hornet? Yeah.
É disputa. Versus.
Yeah, versus. That's the competition. Yeah, XJ6, XJ6 or Hornet 600. And yeah, like, I've got a video coming out soon, guys, on growl culture in Brazil. I'm trying to film a documentary on it. And it'll be about the progression of growl through all the motorcycles, starting on the 160, hitting the XJ6 and the Hornets, to then you probably seen the Instagram reels on the S1000s, the Africa Twins, the lot. Point! Ah, nah. He's trying to film for his Instagram. Follow him on Instagram, guys. I had to make a move, guys. I didn't even get filmed like all the clips I wanted to get. Couldn't really get any rollers, but let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Like I said, I'm working on a big video for Brazil, and like in true Brazilian fashion, we've had to make a move early, and his plate is falling off. So he's found a shoelace, cut it up, put it on the back. Whoa, bomb photo. Good photo, guys.
Boom.
Agora?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool, guys. That's the end of the video. Subscribe, comment, head over to braplife.co.uk. You can support me there, support me and Mr. Brat's got a clothing brand on the go. If you're all about becoming a better rider and bringing out good energy on the bikes, go cop something from the store.